Make $34,000 on a simple strategy. I'm going to show you today. My name is Ben. I'm the founder of Vessel Futures Trading. I'm going to use simple methodologies that I'm basically explaining in my course, which we're going to jump soon enough to see the whoop and the Discord channel. How are you guys? I want to say warm welcome to the new traders on the Discord server. Of course, it's a pleasure to see you guys being active on the server. It's for you to try and experiment completely free. Of course, those of you who are looking to expand the trended skill, of course, there's a more call it more advanced options for you to trade and to see and to explore private rooms. We're gonna jump to it later, but right now I want to show you the simple strategy I use to make $34,000 in few hours swing trading on the S&P. We're gonna jump always. We're gonna look at the graph at the bird's eye view. We're looking at the S&P right now. Of course, we're looking at the bird's eye view on the weekly interval, and we see basically those of you who covered the market with us ever since the Terra speech right here that short the market. I'm gonna show it right here. Shorted the market all the way to this point and cover with us the long position we took all the way up here, and even within the supply area we was known how to still long the market. And now we are in this position right here. We can see basically we laid a position over here. We missed it by an inch, which is okay. There's no pressure to get into a deal within the futures market. There's the beauty of it. You can, as always, go into a deal and exit out of the deal in any time that you want. Unlike stocks, you have to find the right moment and the right time and wait patiently. Over here, you should experience patience as well. But over here, you have the opportunity to get in out of the deal in every millisecond. So we're gonna dive in. We're gonna understand basically where we're at right now. We're now looking on the daily interval. With the daily interval, basically what we guide our traders to do. Of course, as always, as I'm saying in all the videos, this is not substitution for financial advice. You should always consult your financial advisor. I want to show you how we learned to take this position, basically long the market all the way up, and now dealing with this position right now. So obviously we saw basically a huge power of buyers getting into the supply with a supportive volume, and we know that basically the price hit this supply many times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. And within the 8th time with the right volume, we know that the market was gonna breach this supply area, the major supply area, and we wanted to see it basically drop down into the supply area right back and then continue to rally up. But it looks like the price is laid over here, and now he's looking for a new area to be traded as we see accumulation of energy right here. Those of you who are not experienced enough within those positions, don't jump into the deal too quick. It's basically a very volatile area. We don't see determination when the price is gonna go. We're obviously gonna favor the long position, and this is what we stationed over here, although we missed it by an inch. But I'm gonna show you right now the simple strategy I use to create this gain. Of course, those of you who were training us on the server and took the position, congratulations. Whatever you stepped in with 10 contract or more, you now cap in 35 close to $35,000. And this is the simple strategy. Of course, you can learn it always you can learn it on my on our courses within the whoop, which we're going to jump soon enough to see it. So what we see over here basically is accumulation of energy. The price is basically been trying to trade in a new area, which is going to be fair, fair for both buyers and sellers. And this is what we see over here, accumulation of energy. And I'm going to dive in right now to the 4 hours interval where we mark the supply and demand area, and we see over here more clear where are the position are located. We saw that basically we stationed a long position within the top part of the demand pool. Again, missed by an inch, and now we see the price slowly start to climb up towards the major supply over here. And we want to see the opportunities within the day. If you swing traded it and you station the position over here, congratulations to you. You're now on the way upwards to the supply area. And let's see in the 50 minutes interval what are we looking at right now. So obviously within the day we have a couple of positions. We can short the market, we can long the market, and if we want to short the market, we need to understand where the new minor areas are. We're gonna mark over here a minor supply area. When you see basically when the price hits this area, it flips in reverse. Although we need to still keep intact that we are in a long position. We already see basically over here the price hits the minor demand here, flip in reverse towards the minor supply, and again flip in reverse. What we do want to see basically looking for virgin area when the price did not hit before, knowing it's an uptrend and is going towards the major supply to join the long position. We're now looking at the 50 minutes interval, and we want to activate basically the day profile, and we see by the day profile we have started to form a B shape of a profile. Means that we have a short tip on the bottom. The price can still expand downwards, and we're either gonna short the market from this position from the low value area, which is the new supply, basically waiting for the price to hit the high value area and short it at least until this point, creating a $5,000 gain, risking only 1,375. Of course, this is another position we can take within the day. I'm going to expand it for you guys to see it more clearly. And we see over here the high value area right here marked at blue, and we see the low value area, and we see the short tip. So this is another possible position. We want to take another position maybe from here, right here, with this in this demand pool, basically waiting for the price to hit this area and then flip in reverse upwards, basically make a correction, small correction towards the lower value area. At least over here we can have a chance to basically create an additional $4,750 position, basically income. And this is 3 positions that we're gonna cover today for you guys. Of course, you can learn all of this in our web channel and with our courses. I want to show you over here the web channel where you can see the course syllabus. We're looking at the Pro Trader course, and of course we have the essential and the elite course as well. Just quick sec, I'm gonna show you the course syllabus. We're gonna run through the models so you can see basically the introduction chapter, and then we're going to dive into supply and demand and key trading commands, time frame, etc., psychology of trading. Of course, those courses are being updated at real time, and always we gather more and more content for you guys. We improve the courses. Of course, the major news is for you guys, those of you who was trading with us for the longest time, and for you, especially the new traders that they want to jump into the market and want to learn how to do it right. So we are offering the full access to our course. It doesn't matter which course you choose. We're ready. If this is the essential, the pro, or the elite master trader class, they all offered to you for 3 days, completely free trial with no strings attached. Of course, if you choose to continue the models and you want to continue the course, you can lock the price for only $99.99 if you $19.99, $29.99, and $39.99 if you wish. Of course, you can lock it for a lifetime. The access for the course is for you to grab and hold. Within this, we get an access to our Discord community on multi-level tiers. Either you want to level up, or you want to be a premium member, or of course the VIP access, which allow you full on access to all of our Discord channel, which you can see over here. This is a pretty active channel. As you can see, basically we have the trading news channel and the meetup, Monday kickoff, the general chat, etc. You can see active traders within our community, and as you can see, the community keep on growing. The new traders coming in every time and in every given moment. Of course, it's offered that Discord is for you to completely have free education, even if you don't want to have a membership. It's an open server. I welcome you all of you that want to trade. You can jump on the general trading chat. You can find a lot of knowledge over there being dropped and completely for you for free. And as always, I want to wish you successful trading. For those new affiliate members, I want to welcome you to the team as well. You can find the affiliate program within our group as well. If you want to make money while you trade, it's a good way for you to do so, and it's laid down in our website and in the WOOP channel. So highly recommend to visit the WOOP. Even if you don't, if you're not trading, even if you're not part of this game and you just want to create more income for you, there's affiliate link for you to basically making money while you trade, and even if you don't trade, as well as the all the subscription details are within our website, so go check it. I'm gonna put the links in the description boxes and of course within the bio. As well as I mentioned before, I want to wish you successful training. I'm gonna see you in the next market overview. Thank you for watching.